How to add custom ringtones to iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to use the free GarageBand app to save a custom ringtone of any kind to your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. To get started with this, you're going to need two things. Number one is an MP3 or music file that contains the song you would like to make your ringtone. You are then going to need the GarageBand app. This app is completely free and might be installed on your phone already, but if it's not, you can get it from the App Store. Start by hitting the plus button to open a new project, and then scroll over to the audio recorder section. Once this comes up, hit the metronome icon to turn it off, hit this icon to change the timeline view, and then hit this icon to choose how long you'd like your song to be. Currently, it's set to 8 measures, so you just need to set this to something higher because it will allow you to have a longer song as your ringtone. Once it's all set, hit this loop icon, go to Files, and then tap Browse Items from the Files app. Once you do this, it's going to open up your files and you can navigate to the music file you downloaded. Once it shows up in this list, tap on this file and then swipe your finger down to bring it to the timeline. When your song is dropped on the timeline, you're able to grab these yellow corners to adjust the length, meaning you can have the ringtone start wherever you would like and end wherever you would like. When you've got it the way you like it, hit this back arrow followed by My Songs. And once you get back to your songs, tap and hold on the new one you just made. Go to Share, and then choose Ringtone. You'll get a notice if it's over 30 seconds, and you can hit Continue. Go ahead and set the ringtone's name to whatever you would like, and then hit Done. Once the export's complete, you can choose to use Sound As to immediately set it as your ringtone. Otherwise, if you want to set it to later, you can find it in Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone, and then here at the top is where your GarageBand ringtones will save. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.